Hey, what is up everyone? So today we're going to go ahead and doing is removing the front bumper to a Nissan Versa. The reason why I'm doing this is because I will be adding fog lights, but that will be for another video because I got to go ahead and do the whole wiring and all that. But just to keep things simple, I wanted to make sure that you guys all know how to remove this bumper, because I've been looking around and I can't find anywhere, either if it's a written forum or a video of how to remove a front bumper for this Versa. So I'll go ahead and make that for you guys. Let's get started. So for starters, make sure you open up your hood, and there's going to be just these simple pins here. Mine's, unfortunately, when I bought the car, I didn't realize this, but this was loose. There's only one that holds it down, so I was able to purchase some of these guys new. So they're just little plastic tabs that pop up. So we'll go ahead and start removing those in a bit. Also, another thing you guys want to be also looking into is inside here there may be a bolt that puts this together. So that's something else that we're going to go ahead and do by removing the this liner that's in here. So we're going to go ahead and do that as well. So I'm just going to show you guys what are the quick ways in case to how to do this. So you're going to have to remove, there's a bolt in here, also on the other side, and then there's a couple bolts down under the bumper that holds everything together. So let's go ahead and start showing you guys. Because I can't show you guys, I'll just count these out. So there's about 5 of them right up front. So there's 3 in the middle. So there's 3. This is the only one I have on, and then 2 right next to the headlights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off one, and for me it's done, and for you guys it's more. So there you go. So just taking that one off wasn't that bad. But definitely, if you guys did not order any of these, you guys new, make sure to keep these because you will be reusing them. You also have to come back down here and remove this. This is a T20, and then you have another one right here. So it's same thing on the other side. So it's 2 T20, so one here, and then another tab down here, and then another tab down there. So it's 2. So there's 4 in total, or 3 on this side, meaning there's 3 on the other side. And in the middle, it seems to be, and I'll get to that point, but it looks to me that it could be 12mm bolts. So let's start getting these off, and then afterwards, let's see if we can take this guy out to start loosening up this fender and this bumper. So this is the one that's inside here, and that was just a little bit easier. I just pulled it to the side and took it out with my hands afterwards, after loosening it up with a screwdriver. After that, we're gonna go ahead and start removing this. Alright, so in this case, I did lift up one part of the car just to see if it'll be easier that way, which it is, but because if you don't have a low car, and these cars are not low at all, you're able to still stick your hand under here and start doing everything. So easily, after taking off all the bolts and visual inspecting everything, it just seems like this part should be able to be pulled out like this, tad bit of force, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Actually, the bumper should slide off. Move it to
He just came off.
Okay, now that all that's out, this is how the inside of your bumper looks like, and I'm gonna put this all back together. I'll make sure I put on the fog lights for this in my next video, because I just wanted to make this as a quick taking it off and putting it back on, just in case you guys want to do this yourself at home, in case you hit one thing, you hit something and you gotta figure out how you're gonna go ahead and put a new one on your own. So this for me is one thing, and I'll go ahead and start working on these. So once it's time to put this back on, I'll see you guys then. So I put my fog lights on, as you guys can tell. So for all you guys who are wondering, well, how can I remount this? Well, the way you took it off, it's the same way how it's going to go back on, which is super simple, and even I can do it by myself. I already put it on, test fitted my fog lights and everything, so I'm all good on that side. So just to put this back on, you want to make sure you come in and make sure your support foam here is on, okay? So just make sure that all this is good. And you want to make sure you start clipping on both sides, because if not, it's going to keep falling off in place. So that's just how you put it on. Then you just want to make sure you go back and start putting all the bolts on together again. So if you guys don't remember, all the bolts, so it's 2 10s in the middle, then the rest, there is about 2 tabs here, 2 little cushion tabs here, then the 2 T20s that go on the edge, and then of course all the 8mm cushion tabs that go up here. 10mm are on the bottom. So for me, that will conclude on how to basically replace or uninstall or just install a front bumper on a 2015 Nissan Versa. Now if you guys do have any questions, don't forget, comment down below on them, and don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.